Okay, now you're ready to go take your quiz on Dan Had a Plan. You will go to class link. Then you're going to click on Ed. See Ed up there? And then it's going to come to your dashboard and it will show you your assignments for today and any overdue assignments. Okay, so if it doesn't show up here, the quiz, actually you can scroll down and maybe it'll be there. If it's not there, you click on View All Assignments. And probably going to be your last assignment assigned this week. It'll say Online Assessment Selection Quiz, Dan Had a Plan. And you click Start. You see a little green box with an arrow in it. You just click that. And it starts to load. At the very bottom, click Go. And there's your quiz. Dan Had a Plan. If you want the questions and the answer choices read aloud to you, you click the arrow right there.
What happens first in the passage? The library gets new books. Kim makes the bugs and bats. Dan goes to the farmer's market.
And then you're going to click on your answer, whichever one you think happened first, and then you're going to press Go. And it will take you to the next question. Okay, and then for it to read again, you click the arrow again, okay? When you're finished, you'll just log out of Ed, and I will be able to see your grade.